As of now, the Samsung Galaxy A37 5G is still unannounced by Samsung, but leaks and rumors have started to paint a clearer picture of what to expect from this upcoming mid-range smartphone. Based on early information, the A37 5G is likely to sport a large 6.74-inch Super AMOLED display with a resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels and a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, which should offer a great viewing experience for streaming, browsing, and gaming. Under the hood, it's rumored to be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 4 chipset, a solid mid-tier processor that should deliver good performance for daily tasks and multitasking. It's expected to come with 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage, though some reports suggest it might lack a microSD card slot, which could be a downside for users who need expandable storage. The camera setup might include a versatile triple-lens system featuring a 50MP main sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide lens, and an 8MP sensor, alongside a 16MP selfie camera. Powering all this could be a 5,500 mAh battery with support for 45W fast charging, potentially offering solid battery life with quick top-ups. While none of these specs have been officially confirmed by Samsung, the Galaxy A37 5G is shaping up to be a compelling choice in the affordable 5G smartphone market, especially for users looking for a balance between performance, display quality, and battery life.